Hello, welcome on MSS Botany. In this video we will see next type of the genetic recombination in bacteria, that is transduction in the bacteria. Transduction is in genetic material is transferred from one bacterial cell to the another bacterial cell with the help of the bacteriophage virus. The agent through which the bacterial DNA will be transferred is the bacteriophage virus. In this diagram we will see that here is the bacterial cell and here is the bacteriophage virus through which the DNA will be transferred into the bacterial cell, and this will recombination will be takes place. The bacteriophage, it will attaches to the bacterial cell. This bacteriophage will attach to the bacterial cell on its plasma membrane, and this phage DNA it will enters into that bacterial cell into the cytoplasm. The phage chromosome will be multiply. This bacterial chromosome will multiply with the phage chromosome will multiply with the bacterial chromosome within the host cell. So here is the phage which it attached to the bacterial cell wall, and its material, its genetic material will be entered into the bacterial cell. Here is the bacterial DNA and here is the phage DNA. In this next cell we will see that the bacterial DNA will also multiply and phage DNA will also multiply. A piece of the bacterial chromosome get attached to the DNA of the virus. So in this cell that bacteriophage, its DNA will attach to the bacterial chromosome, means here is the suppose bacterial chromosome and here is the viral chromosome. So this will attach and it will get again multiplied, and many copies of this DNA will be formed within the host cell. Here are the new type of the genetic material, it is formed within the host cell. So piece of the genetic material, that is piece of the chromosome of the bacterial cell, it is attached to the DNA of the virus, means that phage virus, and then when the phage come out from the bacterial cell, they have the part of the bacterial chromosome. Here is the lysis takes place and phages will come out from the bacterial cell. But in these phages there are the viral DNA plus bacterial DNA. Both DNA are present in this phage DNA. So means these are the genetically recombinant DNA which are present in this phage DNA, and these are intercorporated with this genome, and in this that they will transport from this phage DNA. When comes out from that bacterial cell, they will again infect to the another bacterial cell. Again this cycle will be takes place. Again new type of the genetic material will be formed in that bacterial cell. When they attack the new bacteria, the phage transfer the chromosome into that body of this new bacteria, and this process is called the transduction. Means when bacteriophage attach to the first bacterial cell, then that bacterial cell's DNA and phage DNA will intact with each other and get multiply. Then again this phage DNA will infect to another bacterial cell. At this time this DNA will get incorporated with that bacterial DNA, and this process is called the transduction. So in this video we have seen the second type of the genetic recombination, that is the transduction. We will see next type of the genetic recombination, that is transformation, in the next video. Thanks for watching.